Hey, if you wonder how to check the battery level of your Jabra Elite 8 Active of the left and the right earbud and for example of the charging case, so we've got actually a few methods. The first one, you can actually do this straight in the Jabra Sound Plus application. When you are connected, you can see the battery level just right here. The second method is to open the Bluetooth settings, go into the details. That's basically how it looks in my Samsung phone. And as you can see from this, I can also find the battery remaining time. When I click on the settings, it actually disappears. So in my phone, I can only find it just right here. The second method is to click and hold on the home screen and add some battery widgets. So from this, you can actually find all of these devices that are actually connected. So let's, for example, add this one. And as you can see from this, it's actually showing the battery level of my earbuds. And the last method is just to take a look on these indicators. The first one is actually located right here. And this is actually the indicator of the charging case. This one inside is actually from the earbuds. So if this indicator is green, it means that the battery level is high. When it's yellow, the battery level is medium. And when it's red, the battery level is low. It looks the same for this one, but when this red indicator is blinking, it means that the battery level is like super low, and after few moments your case will run out of the battery completely. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.